Improvisation. C major triad. Do, mi, do. This is my root. Do, mi, do, do, mi, do. When I play it this way, I'm playing it as a broken chord. But if I play it this way, I'm playing it as a block chord. Alright, the next chord we will build is our minor chord, C minor. Do, mo, do, mo, do. Alright, taking from our minor scale. Do, re, mo, fa, sol, si, do, do. The next chord I want you to take advantage of is your C major 7. Do, mi, ti, from your root. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So you take your do, mi, ti. This gives you your C major 7. The next chord we'll be looking at is your C dominant 7. Do, mi, do, do, mi, do. And I advise you to take advantage of these chords because my contemporary jazz use a lot of dominant chords. Alright, you can walk through your guitar. can just walk around your board to be familiar with your fingerboard. The next chord I want us to build on is C minor 7. Taking from our root Do, Mo, Do. That's our C minor 7. You can practice it gradually until you get it. Just make sure you are walking through your guitar board until you get it. The next chord we'll look at using our E strings. You just bring this, then this, and that gives you your C major. C minor 7. Alright. C major. We can substitute the next, which is our D minor 7, to give you our Re in a contemporary way. Then E minor 7. That will give us our Mi. Then F major will give us our Fa. Then G will give us our So. Then A minor 7 will give us our La. Then B minor 7 will give us our T. Then back to our root. Let's look at how to improvise these chords. Major, minor 7. Major, dominant, minor 7, dominant, minor 7, dominant, major.